Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Serwaa Bonsu. As many of you already know, I've already cleansed my face with the Ghanaian Skin Active micellar water, and now I'm moisturizing my face with the Ole. I don't know the name. I'll leave the stuff in the description box down below. Now I'm taking the Neutrogena hydrating under eye cream, and I really do love this because it makes my under eyes feel so good after all the baking and concealer and stuff. And as you can see, this primer is finished. I really do love this primer, the Milk Hydro Grip primer. Then I'm taking my Becca Ever Matte Poreless primer. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 355 Coconut, and putting that in specific areas. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I think I should do an updated foundation routine because things have changed. Things really have changed, and I like this method. It makes everything so, even though it looks like a lot of products, trust me, it is not a lot of products. By the time you finish blending, everything just falls into place. The key is to blend and blend. You blend till your hand falls off. Honestly, literally, you just have to blend.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now I'm taking my Beauty Bakery Flour setting powder. I really like this powder. It's so light. See how it just disappears into the skin. And now because I want a yellow undertone, I'm taking the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm taking the Abby's face powders. The shades will be listed down below. This is another affordable brand, Ghanaian brand, which actually does a good job. When I got the powders, I was quite skeptical. I was like, not too sure. Someone recommended them to me actually, and then I went and bought 4. And they're working for me. For my cheeks, I'm using the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. For eyes, I'm using the Beauty Creations Olivia Palette. I used a warm brown. I used a dark green for the outer V. And then I used a warm, almost caramel shade for the lid. Smoked my bottom lash line with the same emerald green. And then I used a black kohl pencil to intensify the look a bit. For the lips, I went for a white shade. And I didn't get a clip of me blending the lips. Sorry guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this look. Next time, I promise it's not going to be a voiceover. I'm going to be chatting with you. I miss you guys so much. And I'm sorry I'm slacking with the videos, but I've just been quite busy. I'll do a life update soon. I love you guys. Bye-bye.